Hi there, Success Coach Shawn here, and as you know, we'll soon be migrating all of your existing collections over to groups. And you're probably going, but why? Why would you do that? Well, the reason why is that groups are way better for grouping together content than collections ever were. Let me give you my top 3 reasons why. Reason number 1, with collections, you could only group together processes. You couldn't group company information in there. You couldn't have policies in there. Nope. It was only processes. Kind of limiting. Now with groups, you can create a group that has content from any of those sections. Reason number 2, a subject could only live in one collection at a time. That's sort of limiting. What if you have a subject that's appropriate for sales and marketing and customer experience? With groups, you can do that way more easily. And reason number 3, this is a big one. You could not assign collections. Nope. It was just this folder of content. That was all it was. So boring. With groups, you can group together that content and share it with whomever you need to. So maybe you group together all of your onboarding content that includes company and policies and processes, and you share that with your brand new people beginning on day 1. With groups, you can do that. Now, these are just the top 3. There's a lot more reasons. You'll have a great time learning them as you jump on into groups.